how to be a guest on CJ's first cooking show. Pack your bag. Drive to the airport. Fly to Florida.
Reading instructions for this Boeing 7.
Pour your drink. Ring the bell.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
Today's recipe was inspired by me. That was really arrogant sounding. Actually,
because it was.
I came up with the idea that I wanted to do a loaded baked potato with steak, and then the other day Nate's like, oh, I'm gonna make this. Yeah.
It was
and it's
phenomenal.
Basically an elevated baked potato.
Wait,
with
yours
steak.
is elevated?
No, yours was. Mine is gonna be
Thank you for recognizing.
the real man's steak and potatoes.
What?
Yours was the hoity-toity steak and potato.
Greenlee? Enough said.
Enough said. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make essentially a loaded baked potato using our air fryer. We're gonna do it with the same cut of meat that Nate used. We're gonna be doing a filet mignon.
Well,
Filet mignon is in the house. Am I? So first thing is first, let's get to our baked potato. Now the baked potato situation, this is something that you can obviously, do inside, but if you're gonna be outside cooking, you don't wanna get the inside of your house screaming hot at the oven.
especially if you're in Florida and your neck is sweating. Welcome back.
Thank you. So we've got our basic russet. Am I saying that right? Is it russet?
It is russet.
Okay. So we've got our
Rousset.
Really?
No.
No.
You got me. Hey fellas, who's the goose? Me.
So we've got our aluminum foil here, and do just a little bit of seasoning, just a bit of olive oil, and we're gonna do some kosher salt and some black coarse pepper. And you know what I think I also might do?
Touch of garlic powder?
I think I'm gonna do a little bit of garlic powder.
You would.
You would!
And then we simply wrap. We're gonna set it in our air fryer. Now I've had my air fryer preheating over here on low. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this up to medium. If you have an extra large potato, you can go a little hotter, a little higher, but
We're looking for like 350.
yeah, and basically at this point here, we're gonna just get it in, drop her in, and kind of let that cruise for about 20 minutes. Yeah.
I like that.
If it's not cut in half, it's gonna take more like 35, which again, it's up to you. It's your prerogative. You can do what you want.
It's your potato.
prerogative. I feel very confused. You know what's confusing me?
No.
The Golden Girls on your t-shirt. Ethan, what in the world?
You're welcome.
Thank you
Blanche.
for being a friend. I'm gonna crank this up to a medium because
Medium. Schmedium.
because for whatever reason,
No,
I think
don't-
it's defective.
don't even-
because my Blackstone griddle top gets really hot and burns my bacon all the time.
Yeah, your Blackstone's at fault for burning the bacon.
Yeah, it's gotta be. Now with this, do not walk away. Do not go
Personal
far.
experience?
Do not go far from your bacon. You will regret it. And in a perfect scenario, I'd have a lot more time. I wouldn't be making a recipe video where people give me a lot of crap for cooking too long and talking too long. I don't know who I would be referring to. Maybe somebody that might be in the direction that my head keeps twitching over to.
Ethan?
Ethan.
Hey.
Now while the bacon is going, we've got ourselves a hefty hunk of meat right here. Nate, tell us about this delicious filet mignon.
This is a filet mignon, which is also known as a tenderloin steak. It comes from one of the most tender parts of the cow, and by the looks of it, this one looks like it's probably one of the top pieces because it's not perfectly, hold it down, yeah. It's not perfectly round as usual, but that's okay because we're not serving it as a whole steak, are we, CJ?
No, we're not. I'm gonna be slicing this up kind of family style at the very end. You'll see.
You'll see.
Of course, let's do a little bit of pre-seasoning before we get going. I'm gonna add a bit, whoa, maybe more than a bit, a generous amount of olive oil, and then pretty basic. I'm gonna throw a little bit of the salt down right over here. And while I'm at it, a little bit of the
Yeah, I wonder
coarse black pepper. Yeah,
and
this
that
is something that I learned in my French cooking.
Yeah. Sure you did, guy.
Hey,
We.
Mr. Chuckles over here.
We.
He's all like Stone Cold Steve Austin. And I'm going to rub all sides of my filet
That's gorge.
into that, and then of course we're gonna give it a flip I'm gonna put this on. Let's ring it and bring it. How about
Already?
that?
The bacon's not even done.
No,
Dude, don't,
we got,
don't,
wait, no,
don't.
no.
Really?
No.
No. No. No. No. No.
You have enough bacon fat?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, I can go ahead and just fake this. Watch this. Boot, scoot, and boogie. We're gonna set that down.
Beauty.
And make sure we got a nice connection, because that is a thick piece of meat.
You want to check on your bacon, or?
It's gonna take a little bit. Oh, my bacon's, it's doing great, man.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now, we can get on to the really important things. In the words
Man
of our
the bell.
forefathers.
Man the bell.
Ring it and bring it, amigo. Didn't you just get a new one? Give him some of yours too.
Don't you know you're my
best friend? So now we're gonna grab a sweet yellow
I
onion.
notice you almost always exclusively use sweet onions. Is that because you're so sweet, Turkish?
No thanks, Turkish. I'm sweet enough.
No, thank you, Turkish. I'm sweet enough.
Setup and delivery. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, what's that you say? Check on the bacon? Will do.
What?
Guys, do not neglect your bacon.
Hey, that's looking
I'm
good.
gonna slide my bacon over.
There he is.
I'm gonna slide my steak
That's
into
using
that.
your noodle.
There we go. All right, by the time I'm done cutting up my onion, that is going to be complete. Basically what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna do a nice julienne of my sweet yellow onion. In the meantime, let's get our bacon. Oh.
Save the bacon.
Save the clock tower!
Save the clock tower!
You went where I was going.
That's rad.
That was good.
Dude, people gotta know, Greenlee, did we even talk about that quote?
You did not.
This is all 100% authentic. Those two are done. I'm gonna give that other one just a second. Let's see what's going on right here. Let me show you.
Oh,
man,
baby.
it is actually ready to turn. Let's
Oh,
give that a
baby.
flip.
Yeah, boy.
All right, now we are not done with that bacon fat.
Are you sure?
What?
Oh, I meant bacon?
No, the bacon. Bacon's just about to be done. But I'm gonna throw my onions in the bacon fat.
There is
Cross-pollinating,
the
compounding
magic.
our flavors, utilizing the ingredients that are right there in front of you. That's what I always
Slowly
say.
but surely.
Slowly but surely.
You're turning into me.
A ridiculous
Great cook.
Human
is what I
being.
was gonna say.
Uh-huh.
A fantastic cook.
Dude, oh my gosh, look at that one.
You seriously?
It's not my fault!
Dude, it was seriously...
It's not bad. That's not horrible.
Well,
save it. Save it.
We're
You're
gonna
good.
save it.
Oh,
No, those are actually not the worst, but I've done worse.
I'm fine with that.
Well.
It's not fine.
Hey, Greenlee. You like jokes? I got a joke for you. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Let's bring it and bring it.
Bell hand's getting a little heavy.
Hey, Greenlee, come on over here, bro. This is fun. You're gonna help me out. Why don't you grab that sriracha? First, we're gonna do our basic catsup.
You wouldn't.
I
You
just might.
did.
I just
Don't.
might. Let's do about a quarter of that amount of sriracha. And so then we got our sriracha and we've got some soy sauce. Now, I know what you're thinking, soy sauce. Why would you add that? It's not an Asian dish. No, it's not an
Say
Asian
it.
dish.
Say
it's
it.
not an Asian dish.
Say it.
Fine. It's just got that savory, salty,
Say
umami
it. Yeah.
flavor.
Umami.
Let's grab, and what are you grabbing right there?
What's this here sauce?
Ah, he gotcha.
Yeah. Let's go, just go for it. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going,
Keep
and
it
stop.
coming.
And then I'm gonna do a dash of garlic powder. And,
Not fresh.
no, not fresh. That's fine to do. This is just a quick shortcut that it's gonna be easy to make happen.
Keeps the sauce smooth.
Now, in reference to the elevated potatoes and steak that you made the other day, you made the similar sauce, and you made yours with a robust red
I
wine.
added red wine.
Yep.
Let's add a touch of red wine. I love red wine reductions.
I don't like wine, so I'm just gonna pour one out for my homies.
What? Did you?
One for my homie.
Pouring one out for my homie. So there we go. I'm gonna let
Thinning it out with beer.
I
like your style.
I'm gonna let this sit here for a second and marinate. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna take care of the stuff that's on the griddle top.
Oh.
So let's check my steak.
I bet we're ready to pull that. We're pretty rare, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna be rare right now. These are at the point that I want them. They are officially done. I'm gonna just set them aside over here near you, Ethan.
In the no wake
In
zone.
the no wake zone. We're gonna get out of that heat. Hey, you wanna help me out again? Come on back in, Greenlee. While I mix this up, I want you to go ahead and grab that Colby Jack cheese and that grater, cheese grater right there. I'm gonna go ahead and give our sauce a mix. The potato is still cruising. I think that we've got a few minutes. He's gonna finish grating the cheese. The steak, I'm gonna go ahead and kill all the heat that we've got going on here, and I'm gonna pull this guy off.
I like it. That filet, you really want to take that filet at rare and let it carry over cooking. Plus, you're gonna mix it into the potatoes, right? On top.
Oh, see, this is you'll see.
You'll see.
You just take a nap there, beautiful.
Gorge.
You've had a hard day. Hey, tell me about this. Tell me about chives.
Chives?
Yeah, because it's people
chives
confuse green onions and chives.
Nope, not the same
But
thing.
right? So tell me, because I don't actually know.
Chives and green onion are in the same family. However, chives do have a bit more of that garlicky flavor, while green onions have more of an onion flavor.
Let's talk jalapenos.
Ooh.
This is scary.
It's mine.
It's yours.
I made that.
This sucker looks really hot.
Yeah, generally speaking, when you're looking at jalapeno peppers, the striations, those are those
little baby lines
in the pepper, will tell you how concentrated the capsaicin is. And that looks like a screamer.
This one, Greenlee, you're gonna be feeling this one
For the
tomorrow.
homies.
All right, that's good. Let's ring this and bring it, because we're ready to build. Excuse me, sir.
Pardon me.
Our basket down here, it has had a sufficient amount of time to cook. Let's, how about we go ahead and turn this off real quick?
They're chilling.
Let's go ahead and kill that. Okay, so we've got our baked potato done. Check this out. We're gonna bring our bacon over here that's not burnt.
I want those.
Hey, why do you want those, guy?
Two for you, two for CJ.
That's right. You know, we only need 2 pieces of bacon. How convenient that we have all of that bacon right over there. So I'm gonna just give this a quick
Is that the good one or the burnt one?
It's the burnt one, but it's tasting bacon.
Hey, it's just
Tasting bacon.
crispy. It's just extra crispy.
Over caramelized.
Right, blackened. Let's start assembling. Hey, dude, will you grab us that plate back there? Thank you,
Whoa,
Sarah.
you're
Wow.
assembling on the plate?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
How would you have thought to do this?
I didn't think about it at all.
Exactly.
No idea where you're going from here.
I know, because you are not smart, and I am. I do want this to have a moment to kind of cool off.
Whoa.
So
What?
here's what we're doing.
What in tardation?
Yeah, dude, look at that, how that just fell apart.
Why are you smashing it?
Because, dude, this is my recipe. All right, you want to do me a favor and douse me with a whole lot of cheese. Get it all. Oh, actually, hold on. Before you do that, that way we have some seasoning. Whoa, yeah, back it up, guy. That way we have some good seasoning on the inside of our potato.
Interesting you chose to do salt, then pepper this
Why do
time.
you have to even bring that up, dude? Doing a little bit of garlic powder.
Like
okay, now hook us up with some of that cheese, bro.
Oh,
Like let's
Really?
it's all the cheese.
let's just use all that cheese. There's no point in
Wow.
wasting cheese. No cheese left behind. That's what I always say.
Man, that's
All right.
good looking.
I always get nervous with
Very
steak.
big.
Oh,
Nice and rare.
yeah, dude.
Gorge.
Green, I didn't even ask you, Greenlee, how do you like your steak?
Just like that.
Yes!
Nailed it.
A cooked goose for everyone!
For everyone!
We're gonna get this and kind of just start lining it up here.
Wow, dang. This is a dinner potato.
Yes, it is. I'm gonna let you do the honor of giving us a healthy dusting of bacon.
And then we do the
You
red
just-
and the
you
green
just wait.
too. Dude, we're taking it Christmas?
Yeah.
Isn't that what Todd said? Or
Yeah,
was that
that's
Betty?
exactly what he says. Then let's start doing some of these jalapenos.
Dang.
And this is actually the jalapenos. This is per Ethan request. A final garnish right here
Chive.
of the chives. So we've got our sauce. Now you definitely want to keep extra bits of sauce on hand, but we are gonna just kind of drizzle across
Oh, dang. Come
our
on.
whole potato here and all of our steak, just around the plate and a little bit extra on top.
Dang.
We're almost done here.
What?
Let's just get this guy, put that on and let that butter start to do its thing. Gonna drop a little bit more of that garnish
Dude.
on. And I honestly think that that's it.
What? What was that? What did you say?
Look under it.
It's almost like he made something and forgot to put it in his dish because there's the...
I mentioned
No.
this because I hear that there's a lot of people around the set that are allergic to onions.
I'm not.
Who's that?
Are you?
Mind your business,
Yeah, me
Greenlee.
either. Over the butter, let it melt
look at-
down the butter,
See,
Greenlee.
I meant
You're
to
a
do
genius.
this.
Greenlee?
Greenlee? It was my idea and then you stole my idea.
Really?
Let's go eat it, please. Let's give it a bite, buddy.
Dang.
Yeah, just
Where's the
dive in
gold?
there. I think the gold is everywhere, so you want to get some of that steak on top.
Dude, that's a
Whoa.
good looking bite.
Dude, you got it, bro.
Potato, steak, jalapeno.
See?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Greenlee
It's all
knows
there.
what's up.
It's all
All right,
there.
here we go.
And the pepper.
Let's give it a try, man.
Boom. Boom.
Bro, that's steak.
Mm-hmm.
Did you giggle again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Tender?
It's giggle-worthy steak.
Wow.
That is giggle-worthy steak.
Giggle-worthy steak.
My steak and potatoes is way better than your steak and potatoes.
No, dude.
Yeah, dude.
No.
Yeah, dude.
I haven't had his, so I agree.
Yeah, exactly.
That's not how it works.
We can agree to disagree on some
You can't triple
things.
stamp a double stamp.
You guys!
But one thing that we will not disagree on is
Some people are super mean in the comments.
some people are really, really mean. And let's talk about it and laugh about it in CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
This is the segment of the show where I gather all your wonderful, encouraging blessings that are on the internet, and I take it home, and I feel really great about it. And I don't go get years of therapy from it later. Starting from the top, this comes from my homie Rob Wicca. Acting, 10. Food, 10. That intro, legend, dairy. That was a
You
good
know
one.
why?
I see why you
Because
picked
you were
that one.
pretending to be me, and it was really impressive.
How good I was at being an idiot. You're right, ring that bell. There it is. Ringing it, bringing it.
So, Jenny Barrett, Cinnamon Toast Crunch is too elevated for me.
Oh, okay.
Give me the Captain Crunch with crunch berries on French toast.
Dude,
Ooh, that's
you-
another tasty combo.
That's a challenge.
Yeah, it is. All right,
Use Captain Crunch.
leave it in the comments below. What cereal would you prefer to use?
CTC or CC?
That's great. Ring it and bring it, because we all love a good Saturday morning bowl of cereal
True.
while watching G.I. Joe. Next, this comes from Jojo M on YouTube. It says,
Hello, Jojo.
cooking and quoting. Wouldn't have it any other way.
Yeah.
If you can't quote a movie related to what was just said, are we even friends, bro?
Nah, dude.
Nah, dude. What's your favorite dinosaur?
T-Rex.
It's a velociraptor. You're an idiot. Ring the bell.
I don't understand.
It was a
Oh,
movie
you wanted me to
quote.
pick your favorite?
It was a movie quote. Oh.
From Mike Frith.
Yes.
Oh, the regular.
Yep.
He's a good one.
He's a good one.
Organic vanilla extract. Fancy syrup that wasn't a dream, my friend. Instead of CJ calling you NJ, Nate Jr., I'll still give you points for the sausage links.
Okay, so basically what he's saying is,
You were elevated, eloquent, organized, deliberate, intentional.
Mike, I like you, so I'm going to ring the bell for you. Ring it and bring it. There we
Yeah,
go.
Mike, go Team CJ.
This comes from Steve York. I was hoping for a good breakfast episode. I still am. Watching Ethan making Pop-Tarts on the Blackstone could have been more enjoyable.
It can be done.
Reverse bell ring. Take that to the bank. This is from Eric Thompson. He says, I almost unsubscribed with that intro. Thank God it was only a dream. Yes, it was a nightmare.
Wait, he almost unsubscribed because he thought you turned into me?
He thought that there was a possibility of another show looking like your show. And one show is enough, almost enough to unsubscribe. But he stuck around because he knew I would never do something so stupid. Guys, thanks so much for hanging out. Be sure to go check out Michael Greenlee's YouTube channel. Tell him where to go, buddy.
Michael Greenlee Blackstone Cooking on YouTube.
Be sure to check it out. While you're doing that, definitely be sure to like and subscribe to his stuff, like and subscribe to our stuff. Get the notifications by clicking on the little bell. Go to Blackstone Products for this recipe and more. Be sure to check out Nate's show, Todd's show, Betty's show. But I don't know if you're aware of this, and do not give them any hints. On this show, what do?
Ring it and bring it.
True.
You're technically not wrong.
What else?
Oh. Something about quoting.
Oh!
So come on, everyone, it's CJ.